How to replace a Bush Hog Seal. The seals on your Bush Hog contain the oil used to lubricate the bearing of the gearbox. When a seal begins to leak, it will need to be replaced. This will require accessing the gearbox on your Bush Hog by removing the blade holder. To do this, you will need to first verify that the seals are bad. If oil begins to leak from the gearbox, it is time to replace all of the seals. Things you will need: socket wrench, work gloves, seals for Bush Hog. Loosen the lower shaft nut on the blade holder with the socket wrench. Take the shaft nut off of the bolt and remove the lock washer. Put on your work gloves, then place one hand on the blade holder. Slide off the tapered shaft of the blade holder. Remove the universal joint from the gearbox with the socket wrench. Punch out the old seals from the gearbox by hand or use the tip of a screwdriver. Place the new seals in the gearbox. Set the universal joint back in place and secure it with the socket wrench. Slide the tapered shaft back on to replace the blade holder. Reset the lock washer on the bolt and tighten the nut with the socket wrench.